Hola chicos, my name is Marlena and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will do another challenge. I will do a makeup challenge. This challenge is going around a long time ago, but people still doing it, and let's see if you guys like it or if you guys don't like it. And I don't know, this is the first time I'm doing it. So today's video is about but it's not blindfolded. I will close my eyes and I will do my makeup with my eyes closed. So let's see how this thing will go around. I'm feeling so hot. This thing is showing my thingy and I have to close it. If you guys see something over there, I'm sorry. It's nice. Before we go to the video, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and follow me to social media. I will leave a link down below. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. If you guys like this video, give a lot of thumbs up so I can do this kind of video again. And please support me by subscribing and sharing to your friends and family. If you guys like this kind of video, share. If you guys don't like, share anyways and give a thumbs up anyways. Watch, at least watch. Thank you very much for everything, and please click the bell over there so when I do a video you guys can have notified like you guys understand? Yeah, let's go to the video. Imagine, I want to know if you will be.
Everyone come and take your shot. Now's the time, show what you got. Cause everyone's gonna get their chance. He said that being from the hours bad. Well, it's good to be bad, and we're proof of that. Used to be lost, now we're on the map. Used to steal stacks, now we're giving back. Remember that. Bad if you got pride.
So I'm still gonna make a with my foundation. No, actually I don't know what I'm using for this one because I'm closing my eyes and I have my stuff over there and I'm going to pick my stuff and my eyes closed, so I don't know what I'm taking next, what I'm putting on. I don't know. I think I will know by the shape of the stuff. So let's go. So this is my eyebrow hang. So this is something hard. I will try to do my best. I'm using the concealer. I don't know what I'm looking at. Can you guys see me? I think I got my foundation and my brush. It's not a brush, it's a sponge. I put some foundation this moment. I put the foundation on. Oh my god, that is so bad. It feels so tacky. Put the foundation into your neck and put around everywhere so you can match up your skin tone. It won't be like bad. Okay. Now I'm going with my eyes. Let me close it. Then this palette over here. I really don't know which brush I'm using. I'm using a brush. I don't want to put a lot of brushes over there. And I can't even open this palette. Why? Somewhere to press? Dios mío, ayúdame. No puedo. ¿Cómo hago? I don't know which tone I'm using. I'm just going and going. Again. Do like this, okay? Do like this. And cover it together. This side too. Now you go like this. Tap, 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 tap. And tap, 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 tap. And go with your brush. And then in your lid, just put something over there. So it will look nice and pretty. Nice and shiny and pretty. And you don't forget the outer corner. You know how they call it, outer corner or something like that. I don't know how good I look. I think I did more. Do I need more? I know. Okay, good. Let's go with my contour. Next up, I think I pick my contour. One side is foundation and one side is contour. Do you think this is foundation side? I don't know. It's because of the shape and the shape. Open. Ah, here's my foundation. Let me go back again. Push it. Now I have the right one. This is the foundation side. And this is the contour side. We'll contour all my face, okay guys? Okay? Okay. Let's go. Go here to here to here. Don't forget over here, okay? Here. Your nose. And don't forget over here too. Okay. Now let's take the sponge. And this side over here, then go over and over and over and over again. Now go over and over again. Don't forget over here, okay? Always. Don't forget here. Your nose too. Let me go pick something else. I think it's good. How do I look? I think I got my mascara. Mascara. Put a lot. A lot of mascara. Go full lashes. Fully lashes. And close. My style is good. Now let's see my highlighter. Let me just open my eyes to open this because I don't have mirror in front of me, so I don't know what my makeup is. And it's looking at so let's go. Clear choose what on your face would be. Highlight your face. Highlight your face. Highlight your nose, your pupil. Take this, put on your nose. Highlight your. I like to highlight my face. Okay, I think this is enough. Put it back. Let's work on my eyelid. I think this is highlight. Let's highlight our eyes. Put highlight side too. because let's go to another eye. So I think I put up all the stuff I need to put on. So let's go. I have two what? Two setting sprays, so I know what I will choose what. Let me see if I can choose it. I found this one first. You guys can see it. Let's spray your face. No, yeah, I will send this spray. I will use my lipstick. I have so. Don't. Oh. Don't breathe. Don't breathe when you put your setting spray on. Let's go to another eye. This one, I think I never used this one before. Let's go. I think I have. So I don't have a mirror. I don't know. My camera is that side. I don't know. So now let's see how do I look with my makeup coming back. Let me check the mirror. Okay, now let's see how do I look. Man, what? What the heck is this? Wow. I will wait till my husband to see me like this. Whoa, what? Nothing is good over here. What shade did I use on my eyes? Oh my god. Man. I look obvious. I don't know. This shit is so. I have to wash my face. It's so ugly. My lipstick though. How do I look? Okay guys, this is everything. Please give a thumbs up this video if you guys like it. I like it a lot. It was fun doing it. And subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your friends and family and everyone you guys know. Please support me liking this video, subscribing and sharing to your friends. Please leave a comment down below what's the next video you guys want me to do, because I am available to do any video you guys want to do. And thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give a thumbs up this video, and please press the bell over there. How do you say? Press the bell. I think it's over there. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.